Are you struggling to build muscle on a vegan diet? Discover the secrets to achieving your fitness goals with the right vegan supplements and strength training. Vegan bodybuilders face unique challenges in meeting their nutritional needs for muscle growth and recovery. While a well-planned vegan diet can provide many nutrients, it may lack essential components like vitamin B12, iron, and high-quality protein. Incorporating vegan supplements is crucial for promoting protein synthesis and supporting muscle repair. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle growth and repair, especially for vegans. Plant-based protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu offer unique amino acid profiles. Combining different plant proteins, such as rice and beans, ensures a complete amino acid profile. Vegan protein supplements, like pea protein powder, can significantly boost your protein intake. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are vital for muscle building, reducing fatigue, and promoting recovery. Vegan BCAA supplements help prevent muscle breakdown and maintain lean muscle mass. Creatine enhances muscle strength and performance, making it essential for vegan bodybuilders. Vegan creatine supplements support muscle growth and recovery during strength training. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport and energy metabolism, vital for vegans engaged in bodybuilding. Vegan iron supplements can boost energy levels and aid in muscle recovery. Calcium is essential for muscle contractions and bone strength, crucial for vegan bodybuilders. Vegan calcium supplements help meet the necessary calcium requirements for optimal performance. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health and muscle function, essential for bodybuilders. Vegan vitamin D supplements ensure adequate levels, supporting bone health and muscular performance. Selecting the best vegan supplements is crucial for enhancing performance and promoting muscle gain. Vegan protein powders, BCAAs, creatine, iron, calcium, and vitamin D are key supplements for bodybuilders. Reading the ingredients list helps identify the quality and efficacy of vegan supplements. Look for plant-based protein sources like pea, rice, or hemp in your supplements. Third-party certifications ensure the quality and safety of vegan supplements. Certifications from organizations like NSF International and USB provide added assurance. Consider your specific needs and goals when choosing vegan supplements for bodybuilding. Identify which aspects of your regimen require supplementation for optimal results. Follow a balanced vegan diet to meet your nutritional needs and support muscle growth. Include a diverse array of whole food sources like fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. Stay consistent with your supplement intake to maximize their effectiveness. Incorporate resistance training to enhance strength and achieve muscle gains. Listen to your body and make necessary adjustments to optimize your bodybuilding results. Elevate your fitness journey with the right vegan supplements and strategic strength training. Achieve your goals while staying true to your values.